An example of milk analysis with our test device. So we take a sample of milk, we lower our test system consisting of a potentiostat and electrode into it. Then we set certain parameters for measurement in the future for the user version. These parameters will be soon and locked from user. The measurement lasts from 2 to 5 minutes. We get the measurement results in the form of the Volt-ampere dependence. The data is uploaded to the server and we determine the concentration of the antibiotic in the milk. The platform has the ability to transfer information to a personal computer via USB port and also to mobile phones via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The necessary measurement can be carried out quickly enough, both stationary and mobile.